All right, we are getting some breaking news. 13,000 crore rupees, which is suspected to be black money, has been deposited in 15 SBI accounts in Arunachal Pradesh since demonetization. Though the State Bank of India officials are refusing to divulge the specific bank details, sources in the bank have admitted to have recorded the deposit of 800 crore rupees in the state soon after demonetization was announced by Prime Minister Modi. All right, I'm joined by India Today's Deputy Editor Manogya Singh Loiwal. Manogya, shocking revelations coming from the State Bank of India.
Well, absolutely, and this is still not a confirmation on what is happening in Arunachal Pradesh. It's just a matter of the fact that could be the tip of the iceberg. We're being told that 1,300 crore rupees have been deposited in Itanagar itself. It could be 5 to 15 bank accounts that have been selected for this purpose. Where did this money come from? What were those modus operandi, and what was the reason for selecting Arunachal Pradesh? However, there have been professionals who've confirmed to us that since Northeast does not have much of taxation, and that is the advantage that is taken to. And most of these people who've been trying to route money from the rest of the country to Northeast and deposit it there. And imagine a whopping amount of 1,300 crore rupees deposited in State Bank of India, various branches, various accounts in Northeast. And it's not just about Itanagar. This is because it is the connected zone. It could be possible that there are many more branches and many more banks that have these kind of accounts opening and depositing happening in it. Remember, an HDFC branch manager had committed suicide and had left a suicide note of the pressure that the person was in continuously, only because of the fact that he was asked to regularly monitor as well as moderate things for people who wanted to deposit this kind of money, the illegal money, the black money, or possibly that somehow unaccounted money that was intended to be deposited in these accounts.
All right, thank you so much, Manogya Loiwal, for that update.